Hello second class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and today we will read a chapter that is from your English reader, English 2, Latula the Top. First of all, what is top? Top is a playing toy. Okay, so this is a story of a playing toy that is her name is Latula, a very naughty top. Let us read about more of that little top. This is a story of a top. Her name was Latula, very naughty top and loved to dance. And in that top there are lights of red, yellow color which flash when Latula danced over here and there. Latula was a very special top and it belongs to Ria. Ria is a character, that girl character, and Latula belongs to Ria. And Latula loves to dance, as we know. At night, Ria left the top on the table, but Latula hated to be sit on any specific place because she loved to dance and she loved to round here and there. So Latula hopped down slowly and started dance here and there. In the and it moves to dining room. There was the furniture of big sofa, chair and tables also. So Latula loved to dance and started saying that I love to dance. If you want to me dance, you can see. So here is the picture of the hall. In the picture, as you can see, there is a sofa, table and other furniture is also there, but Latula is dancing round and round, and all the things were still in the dining room, you can say. So Latula is very naughty, so he loves to disturb other by her dancing and with her song. Watch me if you can. Latula dropped into the living room. Latula sang, watch me if you want to me dance. Now in that hall, all the furnitures were sleeping because it was the night time. So Latula disturbed everyone, and the big sofa opened her eye and said, who is that? It is not a bee, it is not a mosquito, but who is that? It is Latula said, I am the top. But Big Sofa replied, top can't dance. But he said, I dance too. And Big Sofa yelled, no, you can't dance. He said, I can dance, but you cannot move your leg. He yelled and said, I can. But But Latula is moving here and there and disturbing the big table also, and disturb that table and made her spin all the day. So Latula is disturbing each and everyone by her dance. So there is another character in the story, that is the teeny mosquitoes. Mosquitoes saw Latula and said, who are you? You are not a fly, you are not a bee, but who are you? The teeny mosquito shouted, it is a flying saucer. He said, no, I am not a flying saucer, I am Latula, the dancing top, and I love to dance. So Latula moved outside, and everyone, the big chair, the big table, and mosquitoes also want to chase Latula and try to teach him a lesson. But Latula moved outside, and big chair opened the door, and all the furnitures that went outside and let the door opened. So in this story, we have learnt about Latula, that he is very naughty top and love to disturb other by her dancing and singing. So here is the exercise, that is comprehension. Latula was a clock. No, it is a top. So we will put over here. No, Latula belongs to Ria. Yes. Third is Latula loved to spin. Yes. Latula tickled the table. No. Who said these words? B exercise. Write their names on the blanks. Watch me in the air. Who said these words? Latula. It is a flying saucer. Who said? That is Teeny Mosquito. Who is making this noise? Grandpa Sofa said these words. That shiny little thing. The big table said these. Who was Latula? Latula was a top. What did Latula like to do? He liked to do dance. Who wanted to catch Latula? All the furniture, chairs, big table, all wanted to catch Latula. Now E exercise, correct word within the bracket. So you have to take the right option. Did you hear the bell? We will take here. My bag is heavier than yours. We will take then please tell or say. So in our previous chapter we have learned that Latula is very naughty top. Everyone was trying to catch Latula. So they all were outside. Now let us read more about what happened there. Now there is another character, that is Boogaloo. He is the thief and he was looking for a house to rob. So luckily he find that house of Latula that belongs to Ria. He find the door open and he was very happy to find the open door, and he slowly and quietly enter in the house to rob. So all the tables and chairs were outside, as you read in the previous chapter. So they all trying to catch Latula, but Latula was moving here and there, dancing and singing. Watch me if you can, watch me if you can. So the big chair, the big table, all wanted to catch or chase Latula outside, but they were failed and they hit with each other and they make a heap over there, as you can see in the picture. So there was the mosquito family outside also. The teeny mosquito shouted, "Hey, there is that flying saucer. He frightened me. She frightened me with her dance and singing." So the mosquito families tried to catch the Latula, but Latula said, "Now it's time to let's go back home." So they all went inside the home. There Boogaloo was busy in filling his bag with the ornaments or with the money. So when they enter in the house, they all smashed with the Boogaloo, and Boogaloo fell down and unable to stand. So that shouted and noise wake up the Ria and her mother. They all come to dining hall, where Boogaloo was where Boogaloo was fell down and all the furniture was on the Boogaloo. So they cried, they shouted, "Who are you? What are you doing here?" So when they find some mysterious thing, they said, "Who are you? What are you doing here?" So Boogaloo was unable to speak a word and he tried to escape from there, but Latula, he again make a wilt and Boogaloo fell on the floor again. So they found a bag. In that bag they found many things belong to them, and they shouted, "He is a thief," and he is a thief. They again asked him many questions, but he was unable. And Ria finally told her mother, Latula is my top, and he escaped. He saved us from the big ruin. Now Boogaloo tried to grab his bag and run, but Ria cried, "Thief, catch him!" Boogaloo fell down and was caught by them. "My smart little top," cried Ria. Latula danced a happy little dance and said, Ria said to her, "Thank you, my Latula." In this picture you can see that Ria is holding a top in her hand and she is smiling along with her mother, and they are loving that top because top helped them to catch Boogaloo. Now there are exercises related to second chapter. of Latula. Buglu looking for a house to rob. Second is the dash chased Latula. Tables and chairs chased Latula. Third is Latula bounced on the big chair. Latula tickled dash the small table. Who said these words? Wonderful. Buglu. Catch me if you can, Latula. Catch the top. Big table yelled. It's just a top. Granny Mosquito said these words. My smart little top. Who said these words? Ria. Now answer these questions. What was Buglu looking for? He was looking for a house to rob. Who left the door open? Tables and chairs. What did the mosquito do when Buglu fell flat on his back? He began to smash on him. Now next is play with the words. Circle the meaning of the words in the pink. Rob means steal. Chase means to follow. So there are some easy exercises you try to solve by yourself. We say as brave as a lion. Now match the columns. So these two exercises E or F you have to do by your own self. I hope that chapter of Latula 1 and 2 is very interesting for you and you are able to understand. Thank you.